I'm Janet Phelps with Dynetics. Our company is leading the Rocket City Space Pioneers race back to the moon. And this is Tim Pickens, the team leader for the Rocket City Space Pioneers. Come follow me. Let's see what Tim's doing today. Tim, hi. What's going on today?
Oh, hey. I'm working on something that I was told I need to sign. I'm not sure what it is, but anyways.
Can you tell us about the Rocket City Space Pioneers and all the companies that are involved?
Yeah, let me, well, thanks, Janet. I don't know who you are, but anyways, you've got a camera. Let me go over here and talk. I don't know what's over here that people need to be seeing, but anyways, anyway, okay, I'm the team leader for the Rocket City Space Pioneers. We've been going for, I guess, about 5 or 6 weeks, and we are a team of folks that want to go back to the moon. We want to win the Google X PRIZE, and basically the Google folks have put up about $30 million for anybody who can send a rover to the moon unmanned and actually rove about 500 meters and send back some images and certain types of data. And if you can do that, you can win $20 million first prize, and the second prize is less than that. But anyways, Dynetics and Teledyne Brown, Draper Laboratories, we got Space Flight Systems, we've got Andrews Aerospace. We're all working as a team. And we even got universities like University of Alabama, Huntsville. We all come together and we figured, we can do this stuff. We've already been building landers where you have little landers that fly with rocket propulsion. We've been doing this stuff for 3 years now. We've got guys that do guidance and controls that did the original Apollo landings. They're on our team. So let me see if I can dig up some stuff here. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to go out here and buy a big Falcon 9 rocket that's put out by SpaceX. SpaceX is a new commercial company. Actually, a guy named Elon Musk started that company after he sold PayPal. Some of you guys may have heard of PayPal. Well, anyway, a guy named Elon started a space company, and they built a bunch of rockets. And one of the big ones is called a Falcon 9. Well, one of our team members has actually brokered a deal where they can actually sell rides. It's actually Space Flight Systems. They can sell rides on that Falcon 9. So basically, we're going to sell lots of folks rides to ride to the moon with us. So ultimately, there are going to be 3 of us riding to the moon together, and then we're going to race down to the moon's surface. So there's going to be a really cool international competition to be the first one to the moon. And we're probably going to end up hopefully carrying 3 of those folks, one of them being us, down to the moon. And we're going to launch on a commercial rocket. And ultimately, we're going to have a lander, which is a cool rocket with, rocket engines that actually do the landing. And then ultimately, got this robot rover, kind of what you see running around on Mars with the Mars rovers. It's going to come out, and it'll actually have to drive 500 meters. And it'll be sending video back and all that kind of cool stuff. So that's the project, and we're not just involving big companies and stuff like that. We're actually involving school systems. In fact, we just signed a deal where we're working with the Center for Technology here in Huntsville, and we call it the Engineering Meets Education program. And these local guys, man, they've been building moon buggies for years. And you see these kids actually out here running the moon buggies, and they've been beating major universities and stuff. And this is at the high school level. So these guys really like to design and build stuff. So we're going to have engineers working with students, and we're going to be flying stuff. We're going to be building landers and doing local hover tests. We're going to be running robots and doing all kind of cool stuff. So, we're going to actually have our own kind of contest where we're actually going to be asking folks all over the world to help us design applications, where we're actually designing apps for like a Droid or an Apple or iPhone. Maybe we can do a little lander video game where we're actually be able to do our own little moon landing and then ultimately roving. So we're going to pay money to people to design these games for us, and those are the kind of things we're working here on this program. But ultimately the goal is here to get to the moon, do it cheaply, be the first, make it sustainable. And this is a real commercial endeavor for Dynetics and our whole team. Like I said earlier, our team we're the Rocket City Space Pioneers. We're in this for the long haul, and this is a real business, but it's a lot of fun too. You know, you gotta, if you're gonna do this stuff, you gotta have fun. So that's important to us, and we want to have, we want to bring a lot of other folks into this to have fun with us. So our website is rocketcityspacepioneers.com, and we'd love you to come check it out. And we're just going to be working hard. We're going to be sharing a lot of cool videos. We're going to be doing hot fire tests. We might be cooking who knows what out the other end of that flame. We're going to be just having a whole lot of fun as we go and do all the technical cool stuff to make this happen. So we appreciate it. Y'all come join us, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Thanks.